Piti mo pa ako, pre. Oh, putang ina! Back for another vlog. So for today's video, guys, we are going to 440 Cement Avila. Mag-i-slide kami, and if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, slap that subscribe button, click the notification bell para lagi lang kayong updated sa mga videos natin, and samahan nyo kami mag-i-slide tayo and enjoy. Let's go. I'll show you some snow. Let's go. Let's get it. Ganda ng tanawin, guys, yung makikita nyo. Gusto namin mag-picture kaso ang daming car. Pero saglit, labas lang ako. So lumabas muna ako, guys, para ipakita yung tanawin. Uy, tangina yung sakyan ko, tumatakbo. Gago! Tumakbo yung sakyan ko, pre. Hindi pala naka-handbrake. Gusto ko lang namin ipakita yung view eh. Andun si Michael. Tara na, balik to drive na tayo sa highway, guys. Napakaganda kasi ng view dun, no? Kaya gusto ko sana ipakita. So, tara na. So, dito na tayo. May mga parking din dito. May mga space ng parking. Nagawad na sila. Look at the view. So gagamitin ko na tong GoPro, guys. Meron din akong ano para sa ulo. So tara. Now we're going to the entrance. Yo, tara. We drove like 35 minutes away from Montreal, and if you are looking for slide places, you can try here. They call it glissaddespaysd'enhaut. And check the view, guys. And we're going up there to try those lit slides, and if you are bored in Montreal, you can come here and try it. So I think we have to show the ticket. Yo, you have the ticket that I show you? Huh? You have it?
I don't have it.
So this is the ticket booth. We're going to take the 3 tickets that we have.
This one.
Do you know how to stick the ticket on your jacket?
Oh, no.
Okay. You put the hood like this
Uh-huh.
in your zipper.
Okay.
You remove the sticker.
Remove the sticker.
Merci beaucoup.
You remove the sticker like this.
Okay.
Okay.
And flip it together on both sides.
And you stick like this and you flip over like this.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Paano daw?
Let's go, guys. Now we have the numbers, and now we're heading to grab some donut things. I don't know how they call that. Oh, how they call that? Just comment down below, please. Thanks. And if you're from Montreal, try to visit here, and 100% you will enjoy. So tara, guys, slide na kami. Tara. Sige, bante na. Bante. Sige, mamaya.
Hindi ko naman sasakay.
Sasakay ako. Mabanti mo na kasi kayo. Michael, hawakan mo to.
Hawak ko yan.
Madiretso lang, ha. Madiretso. Sige, go. Taas mo, Michael.
Sakay ka na, gago. Sakay ka na. Ako, ayun ko.
Taas mo, Michael.
Ayun ko.
Okay, piti mo pa ako, pre.
Oh, putang ina!
Sarap.
Ang bilis! Ano sasabi mo?
Putang ina, di mo paniwala doon. Nabigla ako.
Oh, what can you say? Ang bilis! After riding 5 minutes, guys, we're finally up the hill, and now There, I think we have to go down there. And we're gonna take this slide. Here we go. Let's go. That was awesome. It was so good. So,
Para-paraan mga chong, mga chong.
sabi mo kay Michael? Huh?
Shout out to Michael.
Diskarte natin doon.
Ay, hindi naman yung
Shout
jacket
out
ni
to Michael, oh, laki.
Ilalamig yung isa doon.
Nilalamig yun si Michael. Ayun si Michael, sabi mo.
Baka iyak na siya, guys.
Ayun si Michael. And Martin. So this is what they call tornado. Ikot-ikot tayo. We're turning like a tornado here.
Parang kung paano kanya pinaikot-ikot.
Kung paano ka pinaikot-ikot ng girlfriend mo, ganun tayo ikot-ikot. Gago! So, are you ready? Dito na lang pre. So ganito.
Sige.
So i-start na ng babae dun guys. Sakay na tayo guys. Ako agad pre. Yun, bye guys. Uy. Kailangan ano, nakakapit pre.
Ingat.
Init guys.
Baka malalaglag tayo dito, man.
Hindi tayo manalaglag dito. Guys,
Paano kaya kung bumigay ito, no?
hindi pag bumagsak ka pre, diyan ka lang babagsak oh, sa baba. Maglalakad ka na lang.
Nakakatakot din pala dito, no?
Sabi nga oh. May bumagsak na nga dito, isa. Diyan na lang siya siguro bumaba. Sabi guys, sabi ba pre?
Ang taas, may nakakatakot.
Takot ka na ba?
Parang ride sa, laron.
Uy!
Uy, tang ina.
Is it broken? What happened is broken. Masisira na ata guys. Suwabe. Makita nyo. Suwabe to. Yan na si Martin guys. Gusto niya awayin si Erica. So we just take a rest a little bit, then we're gonna take the slide. So look at the view.
Heads!
Look at the up here guys. It is so cool.
Thank you.
Come on, guys. I'm waiting. Oh, shit! Sakit sa mata, guys. Somebody help me. Help me, papi. Ano kuya?
Bilis oh.
Uy, ganun dapat sa atin. Yung parang ano.
Bata pa sa damuhan mag-abulan, magtampisaw sa ulan.
That's it for today's video guys, and if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, slap that subscribe button, click the notification bell para lagi lang kayong updated sa mga videos natin. And almost 800 subscribers. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more travel. Let's go!